no time to trade. I'm going to set the timer 25 minutes. We'll see if we can bust out a couple $100 here. Spendy, it's not necessary, so you don't need to rush and do that. I do it for the halt levels, which I'm not seeing even on this. I'm getting really lucky with this one. I'm going to lower size. Ah, my gosh. I think it's going to go higher yet. Maybe not. Maybe a drop. Big seller. So I got $500 out of there. Hey, maybe I should just take that. I kind of got aggressive early on there. You notice how I went to 400 shares and I immediately went to 4,500. I usually haven't been doing that as much lately just because the first minute can be a little risky. But there's $500 right there. Got a limited time to make money today. I do see Life W. I'm not so sure I want to touch it. I got smoked on it yesterday. It's not a leading gapper. So this thing, unfortunately, I'm a little worried about. Haul down is 175. I might try to buy this dip here. It just seems like the sellers are strong. I'm gonna wait for one more candle down. I think. I'm gonna wait for another one more minute candle. I think. It's just slipping. You know, VWAP's way up at 237. We're just slipping. And again, we've been in a hot market, but it's been kind of one of those markets where it's like hot, but cools off quick. It's I don't know. I might just take the $500. I might just take the $500 and shut it down. I mean, honestly, I really just don't have the time today. Well, what's the story on Lumo? Big spreads. That's a maybe. I don't know. This thing is, you know what? No, I'm not going to trade it. It's selling off too far. I'm not going to trade it. I'm just Life W, big spreads, volatility. That could be a maybe. But I sort of missed that pivot break, the apex level. I'm afraid this thing's done. I don't think I'm interested anymore. Not at this point. The entire gap is basically gone. The bulls are going to run from this like it's the plague. So I thought maybe I could get a dip, but it just started to slip. Now we're below $2. So I'm going to take the $500 there on that one. Lumo. Let's go to Lumo. What I like about it is it's kind of oversold in my opinion. It's like it's due for a little bit of a rubber band. That's sort of what I like about it. Even though it looks like it's trash. But I'm not going to go big size on this because I got the $500. I had 600, but I'm going to take the 500 on TAOP. That was a very short-lived stock. This is probably a bad idea. No. I'm going to try to hold it up to 440. At $500, that pays for this entire trip. Flights, at least. Come on. We got a kind of a smaller seller at 26. I think after 26, we could get the 40. But it's just struggling. I cut it. I didn't know what to do. I just feel like I gave it enough time. I'm going to wait for it to come below 420. Unless it pops here. Which it did. Gosh, I'm an idiot. There's 435. Okay, I gotta stop drinking coffee. I don't have to get up on the flight. Life W.
It's too late to make a review though, so I need to eat breakfast.
Okay. Taking that break even. Time is it? 7:37. Wow, the spreads on this are big. Up to 455. This reminds me exactly like what was the stock we traded yesterday? I could see this coming up to 454 maybe, but the 5-minute doesn't look that good. It's starting to work. Yeah, I don't know. The spreads on that are a little bit big. What's the deal with this one? 589 is the low. I don't know. I keep coming back to this Lumo. That bounced very nicely. Wow, there goes $250. That triggers me. I should have just taken the 500.
Did you drink my tea?
No. Hmm. That sucks. Wow. That's frustrating. I guess I should have held it. Hmm. Shoot. Totally miss a great trade on that one. I don't know if I have time to sit here and scalp Lumo or Life W. Fortunately, it did go. It was just a little choppy here. Totally missed this one. I suppose I could go for an all or nothing trade. Yes. Yeah, it is good. There, get my loss down a little bit. I got nervous. Why am I getting nervous? No. Hmm.
Where are your shoes? You have less than 5 minutes. And it's so fun.
Oh my goodness. Life W. What a pain in the butt. False halt up. Life W is really going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. His name's Brian. He's in charge of the budget. He said he wanted a job.
You did?
Yeah, he said what? And he said, "Are you interested in sticking in?" He's like, "If you're interested in sticking in this industry, I have lots of really reputable companies that I could reference you to help you get it for the New York." I said, "Well, let me see how these interviews go first. If all fails, and I will resort to you."
Come on, why isn't this working? I don't got a whole lot of time to sit here and hold this thing. Yeah, I'm afraid I'm gonna get screwed on this. I gave back everything. Of course, the last trade I totally biff. Basically, just hoping for a miracle. Lost everything I had. That sucks. That was one of my favorite patterns. They usually pop up, but I should not have taken that trade. That was no good. That was no good. What time is it? 4:49. Hmm. Yeah, good thing I got out. I get back everything on that. Oh well. I should have taken the 500 right when I had it on this one. I mean, the pattern was good, but it stalled out. I should have just dumped it. Luckily, I cut it soon because if I would be selling at $1.73, I'd be screwed. Well, I tried. I tried and failed. Okay, I gotta go, guys. I gotta go. That's it for me today. I'm flat. $28. I should have just taken the $500. Oh my gosh. Oh well, it's $500. I mean, it's not a big deal. So I gotta go like right now, guys. So this is done. Done, done, done.
One ticker, one trade every week. Hey, millionaire trader Nate Bear here, and today I'm
Yeah, 10-minute. Switching CDIO. CDIO didn't do well on that one at all today. Right now I'm flat on the day. Trying to get green on this resumption. LIFW yesterday's high 908. If I connect on this thing, man, I'm gonna go crazy. Pastor is gonna get aggressive. If I don't connect, I'm gonna ease off. So resumption will be at 55.50, assuming it's a 10-minute. Is this where the day begins? This is where the fun begins. Once again, LIFW, man. Talk to us nice. Take us to Pluto and then Jupiter. Guys, if you're watching on YouTube, hit that thumbs up for the free live trading. Shout out to all the relentless traders tuning in from across the world. Right now, we have over 480 people in the building representing. It's a lot of people. Hope you guys are doing well on the stock. 55.50. Got about a minute and a half to go. Big Steve, are you ready? Are you ready for some sweet, sweet gains? We're manifesting it. No fear, no hesitation. Straight pace. One minute. These are the days I've been dreaming for. So again, if this thing only dares to give a good opportunity, 20 seconds. 15 seconds. It's showing 874. Here we go. 5 seconds. Oh, what the hell. I'm a little late on some of those trades. Can we get a dip? Can we get a dip? Can we get a dip? It was so, that was good. That was good. I like those trades. It was quick, man. Aye. That was good. That was good. But it was also very quick and fast. My first entry, I'm out because the green doesn't print immediately. I'm in that at 75, man. The green doesn't print, and I'm like, nope, not willing to take that huge drop. So I'm out looking for a bigger dip. Immediately, it then rips over 9. That's a split second difference of 700 on that first entry. Manage risk, which is good. Bro, I was in at 75, but it didn't go immediately, so I sold flat.
That move gave me 1.5K.
Nice.
Yeah, I bought it.
I'm in at 16, and then I'm back out flat again. Missed the push.
I was trying to buy below 9, and I got the same result, so I just panic sold, you know.
Yeah, it was fast. It was quick.
But it's good to see this, like back-to-back days when we get double halts up.
Yeah,
So it's showing 10, right? 10,
it's probably gonna be another 10-minute too.
1. Yeah, I don't mind.
The first trade in the sequence is always the most important. And when the first trade doesn't go well and you're on your heels, you know, it's a little tricky. But even the second trade, I'm trying to get back in. But it's like it's moving so fast. It was like just a little too quick. But you know, good momentum. We're bullet heart, so even if the move goes without us, we're still cheering on. This is the second resumption, which I'm still interested in, but the risk is now a degree of magnitude higher. So accuracy is essential here as the stock continues to climb. I don't mind this, but if it gets halted up again right away, at that point I ease off. It's just too extended. But we'll see if we can get something here. CDIO, by the way. CDIO, back over VWAP. This stock is kind of notorious for dropping down aggressively though. So time, 30 seconds left in this candle. And it is dropping down quickly there. Yeah, not good. CDIO playing games with us here today. Behind the scenes, baby. This is where the magic happens. KXIM. Ay. I don't like when there's this thing that I say, right? When a stock is up this much, I should be greener relative to where we are percentage wise. You know, I don't have to be green X amount of percentages and you know in that particular way. But this thing went from 7 to 10. I feel like I should be up at least a couple $100 minimum, and I'm not. So what that's telling me is that I need to be extremely careful because red might be lingering. And again, where we're going, the risk is going to be even higher. So how do I want to approach this? I think I think the responsible thing to do here, to be honest for me, is to size down here first, and then if I can connect, I size back up, and then we go from there. So 0134, about 10 seconds if it is 5 minutes. Let's see if it is. 968. It might be. Let's see. 5 seconds. Ah, 10 minute. 10 minute. CDIO is just playing games with us, man. It's at VWAP. It's on this bear flag. Can we get over the high of 63? Can we pull away? CDIO, can we pull away? Adding, can we pull away? Tight stops? Nope, to the depths. Terrible, man. Down 500 on CDIO. It got over 63, it got to 66. Being aggressive right in that area where I like it, but false breakout. Let's pull it up on the main screen quickly. Sweet, sweet looking opportunity here for a continued push. False breakout. Fooled us once, twice, and then a third time. Shame on the stock. Send it to the gallows. Send it to the depths of no return. No trade list. Okay, maybe not that far, but bear flag breakout turns into a bear trap. And this is not good to see in a market where yesterday, the day before, we had incredible I meant to say bull trap, right? Where we had incredible opportunity and stocks kept going higher. Right here, we want to see a red to green, right back to 70, 75. And right now, we're trying to break high of day. Moving on, let's get back to LIFW. Right, so again, especially after that loss, sizing down is the way to go. So just 1500 here. We're going to look to be accurate. If we connect, then I size up immediately, watch for the next couple of trades. LIFW. So 0634 resumption time. Call it what you want. 2 minutes. Sometimes if I used to trade alone, I think I'd have been singing a lot more. One of those weird things. How do you do it? Tesla, is Jessica killing Tesla today again? Way to go. Jessica, the lean green consistent machine. LIFW. About a minute and a half. You know, I do like that. You know, the good thing about these stocks like Tesla is that they're there, man. They're there every day and they're always liquid. So And it doesn't just have to be, that particular stock. It can be AMD, Meta, anything. Strategy is a strategy. As long as the stocks are moving in a similar way and the edge is there. For me, more, very important here, looking to manage risk, looking to be quick, sharp, no fear, no hesitation once again. We're coming up, we passed yesterday's high. We'll see how far this thing can go. We got about 20 seconds. 968. It's showing 98 slash flat. Maybe it opens up 98. Maybe it's flat. 10 seconds. Showing 10:01. Here we go. Wow, nice. Can we get a dip? Take me to the moon. Take me to the moon. Take me to the moon. Do not flush. Ooh! Again. Let's go, man. That was my biggest trade ever, I think. That's why we must stay focused. Oh, fuck. Jeez. First big loss. 1065. Can we hold? Can we hold? Oh. Okay. Wow. I'm gonna take the dip here again. Small size. Oh my gosh. Okay, I played with fire. When you get burned. All right, I'll ease off. We're gonna take those gains and we're gonna run. Damn, that was crazy. I'm gonna ease off. It's just a little too wild. It's rare for me to get that kind of like noisy, but that was some crazy stuff. Come on. I think I'm gonna wait here. Just see, it might get back over 10, and if it does, we can see probably 1040. But I'm not sure if it's safe yet. If it does break over 10, hopefully we get the break and hold. The low's at 27 right now. Low 27. That dip I thought was good, man, but instant halt down. It's ridiculous, it's crazy. So we held up 27 right there. Let's see how this continues to hold. Watching and waiting. Instant halt down again. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be done. It's doing this instant halt down thing where you're not getting a chance to cut it for a quick loss. False halt. I'm gonna size down more here. I think size. Oh. It's trapping. Is it 54? Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it low. That's it. That's it. That's it. This is gonna be a good recording to watch, though. So for the students, this is gonna be an exciting one. And yes, we are recording. That was an insane sequence. And we didn't capitalize up until the third halt up, which is crazy. Or second halt up, whichever that was. It's still in play though, so the low is now 909, which is yesterday's high. But we do have a lot of selling right now. So maybe $9 hold, and we keep bouncing, which is what we're doing again right now. So far so good for the aggressive dip buyers. What a time to be alive, man. I got only 500 shares. 869 halt down. Let's see if it does bounce at 910 again here. 27 so far, not bad. Can we see 40 out of this? What I don't want is an instant halt down if it breaks below 9. But where there's risk, there's reward. If you want to take it, if you like it, you have to take it. If not, you just stay away and live by the decision you make. Can we get back to at least 40 from this level of 910 and see 30 cents? There's 80 on the bid. Again, that kind of instant drop, not a chance to really cut it quick. We've given back a lot, so we're going to ease down and we're going to take this day as a victory. Because I honestly thought we're going to be flat if we didn't get anything on that trade resumption just now. Or red, I guess, red. We were red 500. Good red to green here so far, though. I'm going to keep watching.
Hi, my name is Anne, and I would like to give you a few reasons why you should sign up for a free.
How well can we hold up this level here? I want to see some more instant action on the level 2 and tape. $30, $40, pretty decent. Ay. 44, 48. Pretty decent here, pretty decent. I'm gonna stick to the small size for now. Fair fill in the midpoint, I'll take it. A lot of green, but not really going there. Maybe some sellers around mid 40s and 50, potentially. Might take a little bit more shares if we get through 50 here. Watching, can we see it? Can we see it? Can we see it? Oh, there's a seller there. Somebody's going short or unwinding. Not Titanic. Good. 15 cents will take. Made $100, small size, not bad. The low is at the low right now is at 9. The high is at 59 on that last candle. There's a seller at 950. How do we look right now? Right? Can we continue to hold up above 9 and try again? There doesn't seem to be a ton of sellers. I'm gonna jump in, tight stops, small size. If it flushes down, it's not a big deal. Can we see 25, 30? Scratch. Might get back in though. 10. The low of the entire pullback is 880, I believe. So even if it comes down and we can hold that level for dips, I don't mind. But we got to be careful with the instant halt down. That's why my size is so small right now. Can't afford to take another huge loss like I did. And that could have been worse because if we were caught in the halt down, we probably would have lost like 1,500. So it's good that we're holding here though. Let's see if this does continue. Tight stop. It's doing well here. Five. It's lingering on the low, so are we gonna break down this time or still holding? Okay, 10, 11. I want to be careful in this area here. But if it holds up above, it's good. Might be even better. There's 05. There's 04. 05. 04. The selling isn't heavy. 83. How well are we gonna hold up these lows? Buying is going in. I'm gonna give it a chance. So I'm in good. Let's give this a chance. Watching it over 30. Watching it over 30 here. Not quite. Yeah, there was good green there. Let's see how it does at the lows again. 60. I think that might do it, guys. I think that might do it. Well, actually, hold on. Let's give it another 15 minutes. It's curling up a bit. 70. It's come back down in size, though. It's a good curl. That's a good curl. That's a good bounce with 850. Ay, ay, ay. Ladies and gentlemen, hit that thumbs up. If you have not hit that thumbs up, what are you doing? What are you waiting on? We got over 440 people watching, but only 116 likes. We got to get up there to 200 plus likes, guys. Share the channel. I am also sharing a huge part of my strategy, doing this every day for free. It's not always pretty, but it works. And whatever works, works, as we know. So shout out to all the relentless traders tuning in. Shout out to John B, the Yo-Yo Man. Dash, how you doing, man? How you doing today? I'm gonna Dash, Steve, and Wrong Bet. I'm gonna call you guys today, FaceTime, so you guys can see the crew. I'll try and set up like a three-way Discord call or something. How did I go from being up, stuck in a halt down to being up 4K? Don't worry, I didn't do any magic here. You can rewind the live stream. That's the beauty of what I'm doing, is that it's here and it's raw and it's real. There's no tricks, there's no gimmicks. We're the most transparent trader in the world. It's been a long time since I've said that, but that is true. We show everything. Yeah, 3K. How you doing? Ay, ay. Spartan just got caught in the flush, guys. Being that we got 400 plus people, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys the traders right now. I do want to shut it down. I'm done though. I'm done. So I'm going to shut it down. I'm going to stop recording. We're going to keep live streaming, but I'm going to stop the recording for the archives, and we're going to shut down the charts. I'm going to start with my DAS Trader platform. We are taking the green. Final P&L. For those of you on Discord, you guys can head over to the YouTube stream. I'm gonna walk around the computer and just kind of show off the setups and the guys that are here trading. We're just over 3K on the day. No, I can't be bothered with these memes. Discord again, you guys can head over to the YouTube channel. Actually, I don't know if my camera work on OBS and Discord at the same time. I don't think so. Or I guess I can do both. Yeah, these guys are making memes out of me in this chat room. How much you up today? How did you do today?
Like 3K.
Nice. Boys are getting it done.
Stream.
Crispy trades.
The same like yesterday, up about 3K, 3.2.
3.2.
Yeah. So it's all right. Pretty good. Pretty good.
No, you just got caught in a huge flush. How did you do today? How are you doing?
It was great, but was green. Now back was red. To green. Back to red.
Small red?
Yeah, small red.
All right.
Trading
It's
4%
good.
is only down to 80. That's not that.
Yeah, it's managing risk is pretty good. I was red for most of that too. I got green on the very last part. Drew, how you doing, man?
700.
700.
Nice.
Nice.
Missed a lot of the moves, fortunately.
It's pretty good, man.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Mighty Marcelo.
What's up?
How did you do today?
I'm break even, up 1600.
Break even. It's crazy how we're getting numb to the numbers. Tim, did you deliver on your promise of 10K, or I guess the promise I made for you?
No, unfortunately, 3.4K, biggest trade ever though, about 85 cents on 2K shares, 90 cents.
Sweet.
So it's like, yeah, 1,800 bucks right there. But I went from 4K back down to 2K. You know, backside was tough there, and now we're back 3.5. So could be at 5.5K without the unnecessary backside losses right here. It's extended, right? You gotta be cautious. So, all good.
And as mentioned, Save is also green, but he has his Thinkorswim open, so he can't go and leak his account number. Is your account number locked away?
I can do it.
Can't leak the $1 million account. 3.1, baby.
You can't fake that. You can't fake this.
Guys, you cannot fake that, right? For all the people saying we're fake traders and
Yeah,
stuff.
you can't fake this.
This is our actual broker, TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim,
right
Charles Schwab.
Right here.
Yeah.
Can't
All
fake
right.
that.
All right. I'm gonna shut it down. I gotta get on my content grind. Ay. Grateful to be green today, though, man. For those of you in MMU, I'm gonna upload this archive right now. So those of you who do want to study it early, you guys will be able to study it and see how I was able to get green, rewinding, and fast forwarding, of course, with level 2, right?